Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy, heavy monster sound! The nuttiest sound around! So if you're coming off the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well listen, buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockiness, rock steady beat of madness!
Perhaps one of the most visited places in Lima. Okay, I already met my friend who is inside this store, like getting some cans of wine. Well, this is how Barranco neighborhood looks at this hour of the afternoon. It's almost night. The darkness of the night is arriving at the city. Allá? Okay. Hi everybody, it's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon here in Lima, Peru. I'm cycling for a while. Honestly, I am not cycling for sports, but cycling because I will meet my friend Alejandro, who wanna take some drinks on the sunset, on the sidewalk, and well, I think it's a good time to do it. Okay, I'm gonna cycle, I'm gonna pedal around these streets. These are some Barranco lonely streets. This is a very traditional place. I really like Barranco. Just because it is like a bohemian neighborhood where poets and writers used to live in. Nowadays it's quite different. Because it's like there are more people living in Barranco right now. Perdón. Okay. We are almost there. Have to cross the road. Okay, we are already in Barranco. This is the Barranco main square, the Central Park of Barranco. So I hope my friend have arrived. But I think that he hasn't arrived yet. Okay, let's see what is going on here. There is something regarding to the UEFA Champions League. I don't know what this is all about. Okay, I already met my friend who is inside this store, like getting some cans of wine in cans of wine. Yeah, well, this is how Barranco neighborhood looks at this hour of the afternoon. It's almost night. The darkness of the night is arriving at the city. Okay, well, this is the old beer house where we usually take drinks on in the past. Nowadays we are very respectable citizens. Okay. So, this is a very improvised video. I didn't think to go out today. I wasn't thinking of going out today, but what I really want to do is to take some drinks with my friend, because it's been a time since the last time we talked each other. Okay. See you. GoPro apaga video. Allá, allá. Okay. Well, this is a very interesting spot here in Barranco. Alejandro, say hi to our
Hi.
million of
What?
subscribers and followers.
1,000 and million.
I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget that information. Those are some restaurants, very traditional here in Barranco. And well, we are just taking some cans of wine here. You know, like so now it's time to leave Barranco. I'm gonna turn on my right. I want you to see how the neighborhood is. Yeah, this is a traditional part of Barranco. Many people the people who want to come to Peru usually come to this neighborhood just because it's very touristic. But this is another part of Barranco. Okay. Yeah. Lonely streets, but it's still beautiful. I really like Barranco. I mean, the houses are very traditional. But now we are leading to Chorrillos. Okay, Chorrillos is also traditional, but it is not as bohemian. I don't know if bohemian is the proper pronunciation, but it is not as bohemian as Chorrillos. Okay. I am following the tram lines. Estación Pedro de Osma. Okay. We have to go ahead. So this is a part where we leave Barranco, properly talking, and we enter in Chorrillos neighborhood, Chorrillos district. So this is Chorrillos, my neighborhood.